Percentage continuation, already 22 questions are over. Before going to see this video, first you go through that videos and practice the study material, then only can get the command and subject. Now in this video, question number 23, continuation of study material, campus placements study material, question number 23. Now what is 23 here? Now how much sugar must be added to 300 grams of a 40% sugar solution so as to make the concentration 50%. So what you understood, first you have to analyze the data. So total weight of sugar solution is given 300 grams is there. Sugar solution means it must have sugar and water. And also one more key point is given, how much sugar is also there, it is given 40% sugar is there. 40% sugar means the remaining is water indirectly. But again here the question, how much sugar should be added to make it 50%? Initially 40% sugar is there, by adding more sugar, its percentage increases. So to become 50% sugar, how many grams of sugar should be added? Very simple. So initially 40% is there in 300 grams, 40% of 300, what is 40% of 300? 120. What is 40% of 300? 120. How many grams sugar should be added means let it be x grams. By adding x grams, the total weight of sugar is 50% of total. 50% of total. What is the total weight now? 300 plus x. Already 300 grams is there. By adding some sugar, its weight is also increases. Total weight is also increases. So by adding x grams, its total weight is now 300 plus x. In the total weight, 50%. So 120 plus x is equal to 50% of 300 plus x. By simplifying this, we get the answer. So 50% means 51, 50 by 100. 50 by 100 means 51, 52 gets cancelled. By taking 2 in this side, 240. So what you got now? 240 plus 2x. 240 plus 2x is equal to, so 300 plus x it is. Okay, x equal to 60. 300 minus 260. So here it is given x is 60. So how many grams of sugar is to be added? 60 grams of sugar is to be added. Take the rough paper and try to calculate. Now go for question number 24. A broker charges a commission of 5% on all orders up to 10,000 rupees. Some clues are given. A broker charge. So on sales, so he charges 5% on up to 10,000 rupees and 4% on all orders exceeding 10,000 rupees. A customer makes the order. On each and every order, how much he charges? Broker charges. So 5% up to 10,000 rupees order. More than 10,000 order is given. That more than 10,000 order, they calculate they charges 4% commission. He remits 31,300. Total charge is 31,100. He deducted in the total order to his client after deducting the commission. Okay, 31,100. Find the order amount. What is the total order amount? We don't know, that you have to calculate. Let it be the total order amount be n. It is given clear. How much he charges? Up to 10,000, 5%. How much he charges here? 5% of 10,000 less. Now more than 10,000, 4%. 4% of total minus 10,000. Suppose it will be 14,000. So on 14,000, what you do? Up to 10,000, 5%, the remaining amount. So 4,000, calculate 4%. That is the meaning of that. Okay, n minus 10,000. 4%, they calculated. More than 10,000 order is given. Up to 10,000 order, 5%. More than 10,000 order, 4%. So total is charges. How much here it is? Simplification. 5% of 10,500 plus 4% of means 0.04 into n minus 400 it is. Okay, simplifying that, 100 plus 0.04 n. This is the charges. In the total amount, he remitted the charges. Total order amount is n. He remitted the charges. How much he remitted the charges? 100 plus 0.04 n. How much he added? 31,100. To his client, he added 31,100. So total order minus charges. So So deducting charges, after deducting charges, he added the amount 31,100. After simplification, n minus 0.04 n is 0.96 n, minus 100 is there. By taking this at plus 100 means 31,200. 0.96 n equal to, what is the value of n now? 31,200 by 0.96 it is. So here decimal is there. How to remove the decimal? In the numerator also make the decimal. Put decimal and 2 zeros. Remove the decimal in numerator and denominator. 31200 again 00 by 96. By cancellation you get 32,500 it is. That calculation part you have to both cancel with the 3, both cancel with the 2. Just like after calculation, finally you got 32,500. That is the total ordered amount it is. Understood? Now the last question, 25 in this exercise. A seller marked up the price of an article by 20%. Any trader, any business people marks his goods some percentage above cost price. How much he marks here? 20% above the cost price. Again gave some discount also. How much discount is giving again? 20% discount is given. For the customer satisfaction, definitely any business people will give the discount. Okay, here 20% discount is given. He marked 20% above cost price. Again he gave 20% discount on market price. Then what is the percentage loss in this transaction? Same percent increase, same percent decrease is given. Always when keynote is there, always loss. How much loss it is? P square by 100% loss. That key point you have to put in order. Where P is here 20 square, 400 by 100. What is 400 by 100? So 4%. So 4% loss. Or generally also you can do. So 20% above means 120. 20% again discount means 80. This shortcut also you have to 100. 120 into 80 by 100. Resultant value how much you got? 12 8 96. Resultant value less than 100. How much less than 100? 4. We will say 4% loss. In this way also you can do it. 4% loss it is. Understood all of you? Thank you to all of you.